Sto imparando a parlare italiano con ChatGPT. I've always wanted to learn how to speak Italian. When I was a kid, I had an Italian teacher who taught us to count from 1 to 10 in Italian, and ever since, I've been dying to learn the language. I've picked up a few small phrases here and there, but it wasn't satisfying enough. And now, thanks to ChatGPT, not only can I learn, I am learning. In fact, I've been learning for about a week and a half and I already have about 40 to 45 phrases in the pocket. And if you're curious to learn Italian or any language for that matter, I'm going to show you how you can take advantage of ChatGPT to learn it. The first thing you're going to need is a desire to learn. I mean, a real passion to learn. The more passion, the faster you'll learn, because your brain will be like a sponge. It'll pick up everything. The second thing you want to do is be familiar with the tone and the pace of the language you're wanting to learn. There's a rhythm to languages, and if you pick up on those rhythms, you'll learn a lot faster. The next thing you want is to familiarize yourself with the sounds of their vowels. In English, we have a long vowel and a short vowel. And in some cases, we have sounds that don't even sound like the vowel. Sometimes it's A, sometimes it's A, sometimes it's I don't know. But with Italian specifically, A, E, I, O, U. Same as in Spanish, which is probably why I'm learning faster. The next thing you're going to need is a basic understanding of sentence structure. Take English, for example. If we're going to describe an object, we first say the description, and then we mention the object. For example, the red car, the ugly car, the beautiful car. In Spanish, the structure is backwards. First, we mention the object, and then the description of the object. El carro rojo, el carro feo, el carro bonito. If you have a basic understanding of how that works, you can ask ChatGPT to help break down the sentence so you understand how it's structured, so that when you're learning new phrases, you can apply the same code. See where I'm going? And here's the bonus one. Don't build a custom GPT. I built a custom GPT specifically to learn Italian, but what I didn't like is that when I was interacting with the voice feature, the bot responded with an English accent. So it sounded like, Sto imparando a parlare italiano con ChatGPT. That's not what I want. I want to get as close as I possibly can to the actual language. So instead, I use the advanced voice feature that already comes with ChatGPT 4.0, which actually responds in Italian, which means that I hear what it sounds like. If I pay close attention, I can repeat it exactly what it sounds like. It corrects my pronunciation, and all I need to do is just practice it, and maybe even write it down on my journal so that I can reference it later. ChatGPT has helped me drastically at becoming better at speaking Italian. Not later, now, which is why I can confidently say, mi piace parlare italiano.